Presenting Boult Audio ZCharge wireless earphones in black. It is also available in blue and red color variants. The box includes ZCharge neckband, extra pair of ear tips, charging cable and user manual. It comes with a size of 17 into 2.5 into 12 centimeters and weighs up to 125 grams. This wireless neckband is made up of environmental noise cancellation chip. The 14.2 mm drivers produce a clear calling and balanced sound. It has a battery life of 40 hours. It consists of an inbuilt mic. The IPX5 rating provides water resistance during gym workouts. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.